I don't care if you are the teacher. See another one you know. See another one you know. And this me want to talk about, Because, things that me not catch up on, Are the Jamaican girls them? Either I have the criminal man them, or a them I hide the criminal them. The United States of America has now extradited another scammer from Jamaica. Do you hear what I'm saying? Uno a go on like say uno don't know. Like say uno don't know. Say a Jamaican woman we a work out of the call center them. A them are run the scamming them. Okay. Well, let me prove it. A woman who is wanted by the United States for alleged lottery scamming was arrested St. James, Jamaica. Thursday. Just the other day. Let me read the file. Because uno thinks that's some joke thing. She just 36 years old. And she's a customer service representative. Her name is Sharika Goodison. And she come from Paradise Acres in a Norwood Meadows in the parish of nowhere that is. Now rampy the blouse and skirt thing. Listen, I'm Montego Hills, the girl there. Montego Hills. You don't rampy Jamaicans, Because, you see, from money I make anyway, anyhow. If I scamming, they will be yamming. If I running, they will be running. If I thumping, they be blunted. Listen to the news article. A 36-year-old customer service representative, Sharika Goods, of Paradise Acres, Norwood Meadows, in the parish was arrested during a joint special operation in the Montego Hills police area. Now, the operation was carried out by members of the Jamaican Fugitive Apprehension Team, Lottery Scam Task Force, Area 1 Operation Support Team, and their counterparts from the United States of America. Goodison is wanted in the United States for mail fraud, wire fraud, and lottery scamming activities. She was arrested pending extradition hearing. Now you hear what them a say. This a girl, ya look how she look good. She in at the call center. And my baby girl there not coming know exactly where this there. Montego Hills. I know exactly a scamming out there enough of the call center them there. All up in a town. Don't play around. Listen, Paradise Acre, Norwood, Meadows, don't ramp around. It is unbelievable. How come so much scamming? How come so much yamming? Then if you make Merca come all the way down here, Sharika, if he come pick you up, then that means a whole heap of thing you yamming up. Then you never realize that you fi quit. You never realize that you fi slip. You didn't realize that you fi turn it over to somebody else and play slick. You are real fool. You never go a good school. Listen to me, people. The U.S. government, the Jamaican government, the lottery scam department, them say. The anti-scamming department, them say. The lottery scam task force, they said. The Jamaican Fugitive Apprehension Team, that means that like a bounty. The Area 1 Operation Support Team. And the counterparts of the United States of an American, them said this a girl there, Sharika Goodison, was wanted by the United States. Mail fraud, that means things are sent in a mail. Listen, lottery wire fraud, scamming activity fraud, and she was arrested. Listen, them said she's pending extradition. That means that them just had to do the paperwork. Jamaica in a bed with Merca, so nobody go and say you can run, come hide down here. We are sending out all the thief, all the crangers, all the scammer. Don't bother come down here and go on like say Jamaica is a safe haven for criminal. Why Jamaican so thief? Why we so licky licky? Why we so yummy yummy? Imagine, you do so much crime on the telephone line that America have to come for you. And so much you thief. This is unbelievable. Me can't believe it. Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment. Leave your comment. You are going to let me know if them people are just thief or is this reparation like you heard from Adi. May have another story.